Today I would like to show you how you can transfer files from Samsung device to Asus Zenfone 11 Ultra. Begin by opening Play Store on both and getting this app called Send Anywhere. When it's ready, open it. Now set it up by tapping on the same options in both apps. I agree and I acknowledge. Confirm. Continue. Allow. In this window about new updates, you can tap on Not Now or close it right away by hitting OK. Then tap on your device's screens and select Send at the bottom left corner of Samsung. Then Receive right next to Send at the bottom of Asus. Also on Samsung, using all of those categories at the top, select multiple files to transfer. I will go with only a couple just for example. When you finished, hit Send next to Selected at the bottom. Tap on Got It in Here's Some Tip pop-up and decide which connection way you want to use. If you want to input this key here, click on Input Key section, type in all of those numbers in correct order, and hit Receive. If you prefer to scan this QR code, tap on the scanning icon above User Guide. Close and add. Allow camera access in the pop-up and point it at the code. As you can see, after that, all of my files were successfully transferred. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!